Hey everyone! Welcome to the Hi Clean With Me, aka Widstar sketch slash errand slash whatever you want to call me. Yes, so we are doing our new year, new me cleaning video. I forgot trash bags. Freak. But it's okay, I'll grab them after. Anywho, we are going to be cleaning my room today. You can clean your room along with me as, we clean my room. Now, my room isn't honestly bad. Like, everything's over here is okay. I mean, it's not perfect, but it's something. Over here, my little... I even have a craft cart now. You guys saw that in my room tour video, because I'm going to be filming that after I do the cleaning. So, it's all coming full circle this week. But yeah, 2 new videos this week. One is the one that you already saw, the room tour, and 2 is this video, which is the 2024 get high and clean with me video. Get chill, as we like to say over here. But yeah, so we're basically more or less going to be cleaning like surfaces and everything, like a deep clean, but we are also going to be doing more of like organization, I guess. Not too much on this shelves, to be honest. These shelves are fine. It's more or less like going through my clothes and stuff like that. That's why I needed a trash bag, so I can, put clothes in trash or whatever. And yeah, more or less to wipe down all the surfaces, especially my dirty mirror. It doesn't look dirty, but if you look close at it, it is pretty dirty, so definitely need to clean that. But yeah, I'm just gonna set you guys up over here and let's get started. So step 1, when it comes to cleaning, you need to make sure you get high. Okay, that's just a necessity. If you're not a smoker, you don't have to. I would smoke on camera, but 1, YouTube is weird on that, and 2, I don't smoke in my house rule, so I usually do that outside, but be sure you don't go do that. Second, be sure to have good music to play. Just do. It'll make it so much better. Why am I out of breath so much? I'm just going up and down. I'm a little out of shape from this winter, I gotta admit. I need to exercise more. Apparently on the news it said something about cannabis can help with exercise, and I'm like, sure. Anywho, number 2, the music. 3, be sure you are prepared in terms of cleaning supplies. I have glass cleaner for my mirror and other, like my windows. I'm like, well, there was something else, but windows. Clorox for, all the surfaces and all that. For dusting, we have a Halloween cat towel because I'm out of paper towels. And a trash bag. I also have a broom. I'll show you, I guess. I have a broom as well, so I don't vacuum my room often. It doesn't really need it. It's just more or less like all wooden floors, so I mainly just sweep it. I like it better. I don't know. But we're going to get started. Now that you have all of that together, let's get into this video. We clean the room. Let me show you. So front way, yes, I still have to get rid of the trash and stuff, but you would have already seen my room tour by now. It was uploaded a couple days ago, so if you haven't watched that yet, go watch it, because then you could be kind of watching this in order, because I cleaned first and then did the room tour. But anywho, over here is all nice. Again, have to bring these 2 things down. Bed, mirrors are clean, nice and bright. Over here is all clean. Even the floor over here is all cleaned. And again, I didn't have to really do much over here. It was more or less other areas of my room. But that is going to be today's video. Again, if you haven't checked out the room tour, go check it out in the link below. And yeah, I will see you guys all in my next video. Bye guys.
Bring it down, bring it down, bring it down. I got 3 whole thoughts.